Hello and welcome to OneSite TV. At OneSite Solutions, we've designed a LoRaWAN site survey kit that enables you to test the suitability of LoRaWAN solutions at any site you visit with fast, accurate readings and data insights.
In this case, you will find a selection of equipment that has been pre-configured for you to easily be able to carry out a LoRaWAN wireless survey at any prospective install location. A one-time purchase that provides unlimited survey opportunities. I'll quickly put a list of the devices included on the screen now, whilst going on to describe them in a bit more detail. This survey kit is designed to be self-sufficient and runs on battery power via the included Anker power bank. The gateway included is a Milesight UG65 gateway with LoRaWAN server on board. It has been pre-wired to run on the USB-C Anker charger. This configuration will allow for the gateway to be continuously powered anywhere in the field for over 24 hours. There is also a 3-pin adapter to run the kit off of the mains. In the kit you will also find a Milesight EM300 and an Elsys ERS, both of which are popular temperature and humidity sensors. They can also sport other discrete sensors such as light or motion. These have been pre-registered in the onboard LoRaWAN server on the included gateway and will join the network as soon as they are powered on within range of the gateway. These are battery powered and are also included in the kit. Importantly, we have also included an Adeunis field test device. This works by sending an uplink message to the LoRaWAN server on the gateway. The server responds with a confirmation message displaying the strength of the received signal. To enable you to view readings from the two included sensors, we have enabled and configured the built-in BACnet server, which exposes the sensor readings as standard BACnet objects, which may be read via any BACnet IP compatible software, such as Tridium Niagara or Yabi running on a laptop. We include a full quick start guide for you in the site survey kit, with no specific skill set needed to operate it. This kit is available now from OneSite Solutions for a one-off cost created by our own in-house team of LoRaWAN integration experts. If you would like to know more or get pricing for the survey kit, then visit the link in the description or get in touch directly at sales@onesite.solutions. Thanks for watching and see you on the next one.